My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven.
Happy birthday, baby girl! Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Alam mo naman na love ka namin lahat. Again, happy birthday!
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you.
I'm so blessed to have a cousin like you. I wish that the Lord will fulfill your dreams of finishing your study and become a flight attendant.
Dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Look at the draw.
Wishing you all the good and genuine things you truly deserve. Yun lang, happy birthday!
And so I became the butt of the joke. I wounded the good and I trusted the wicked. Clearing the air, I breathed in the smoke. Maybe you ran with the wolves.
Happy birthday, ate. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa, ha? Una yung pag-aaral mo. Dapat kapag nag-college ka na, dapat makakasakay sa airplane. Happy birthday!
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never.
You deserve all the love, joy, and happiness this world has to offer. And may this new chapter bring you more growth, good memories, and amazing opportunities. We're so proud of you and happy legality.
Now I'm wide awake. Now I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight.
Happy birthday, ate. Love na love kita. Ano sabi ni mami? Huwag muna mag-aasawa. At bago mo magkaasawa, dapat dumaan muna kay mami. Yun lang.
I want to thank you for letting me be part of your special moment in life. Grabe, 18 ka na. We met when you were 14, right? So, welcome to Kadiwa World. And I wish you a life full of love, happiness, and growth.
Nandito lang ako para supportahan ka. Pag kailangan mo na papasaya sa'yo. Ayun, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon. I love you.
Happy birthday, anak. Alam mo namang mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo, mga kapatid mo. Sana galingan mo yung pag-aaral, lahat, para makamtan mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay.
Been sleeping so long and it's 20 a dark night. And now I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. Like daylight is golden. Like daylight.
Sana makahanap ka ng kasiyahan sa anumang aspeto ng buhay. That's it. Happy regality, Ate Cass. I love you.
Let it go.
One filled with endless possibilities and beautiful moments waiting to discover. I love you.
Of the things I hate, of the things I'm afraid of, the things that haunt me in the middle of the night, I just think that you are what you love.